welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to use VR mode in YouTube. So for that, open the YouTube application. The VR mode in YouTube app allows you to easily find and watch 360 videos and virtual reality content with certain headset and devices. So if you want to watch a video in VR mode, that is the virtual reality, what you need to do is follow a few simple steps. So I will be showing you the process. So first of all, search for the virtual reality video. Tap on the search bar and there you type in virtual reality video and tap search. Then it will show you the search result for the videos that you can view in VR mode. So from all the options, you select and open a video that you want. Now tap upon that video. So this is the video which you can watch in the VR mode. Once you're at this page, what you need to do is you need to tap on the setting icon on the top right of that video. Tap that, and there you need to tap on watch in VR. Tap that. Right after you do that, you will be viewing this video in VR mode. Now once the video starts to play, what you need to do is you need to insert your phone into your VR headset. Here, once you tap on the VR mode, the screen split will split into smaller screens. With this, you will be able to use your headset. After that, you can put on your VR headset and look around to view the video in 360 degree. Hope this video was useful on how to use VR mode in YouTube. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.